Hello everyone, we the Team Saviors from CGC College of Engineering, Mohali would like to thank Chitkara University for giving us an opportunity to do our bit in tackling the COVID-19 menace through the platform of Novate Plus 2020. Our proposed idea is of a sanitization chamber that would help to sanitize things while they are being transferred from one place to another, or in case the belongings of one person comes in contact with another person by any means, to minimize the chances of transmission of the virus and that of people catching up the infection. Hey, did you ever thought a microorganism can keep us at bay? That it can keep us inside our homes for such a long time and change almost every aspect of our life? But unfortunately, what we couldn't have imagined in even our worst possible dreams has come true, being caught inside our homes for such a long time. Talking about our country, the number of cases are increasing continuously at a rapid pace, thus proper implementation of social distancing and minimizing physical contacts as much as possible. We all are trying to ensure this. We may not come in contact with people knowingly, but whenever we step out of our homes due to any reasons, like purchasing vegetables or fruits or some other essentials, the virus can get inside our body due to coming in contact with the vendor or through the materials that we are purchasing. There have been cases of people in vegetable markets and other stores getting impacted with the virus. This chamber would ensure that we don't get affected with the virus while purchasing the essentials. The working of the sanitization chamber has been demonstrated with the help of 3D design. The ultrasonic sensors placed at one end of the chamber detects the presence of material, and with this the sanitization process begins. The storage tank is used to store the sanitizing solution. The tank connected with the pump moves the gas by mechanical action. Relays are used at necessary locations to control a circuit by an independent low-power signal, or where several circuits need to be controlled by one signal. As these help in direct uplifting the disinfectant solution through pipes with nozzles at the top of chamber that sprinkles the disinfectant with the help of sprinklers. Sodium hypochlorite, bleach chlorine, diluted in water, will be used. The UV lamps used in the chamber uses lower UVC band of 280 to 100 nanometers wavelength, which helps in killing the DNA of virus and bacteria regardless of drug resistance and without toxic chemicals. The conveyor belt uses the tapered rollers and curved rubber belting to convey the product to the other end, which is safely collected from there. The complete prototype of sanitization chamber costs 50,000 rupees and has minimal running cost, which is a one-time establishment cost that depends upon the number of objects being sanitized. Approximate operational cull disinfectant solution must be 400 rupees since the fight with the virus is a long one and many containment zones have already been formed at various places in our country, and given the pace of increase of the number of cases, many more may be formed in future. The essentials that need to be delivered to such households must ensure that the situation doesn't complicate further, because even a small mistake here and there can trigger a huge problem. The sanitization chamber would ensure that the supply of essentials gets carried out efficiently. The idea would also ensure that the food packets that are being distributed to the needy are also safe, and both the distributor and the needy can be safe from the virus contamination. The doctors and the policemen can also be safe from the infection by regularly sanitizing any of their things that comes in contact with anybody else by any means, because if the saviors would be infected, the situation would become even worse. The chamber can also be used in hospitals to keep the corona saviors safe by regularly sanitizing the essentials being used to treat the infected people, and can also be used for sanitizing the food plate which is used to serve food to the patients. The sanitization can be carried out by giving the food to the patient directly, by passing through the chamber, and then collecting the plate back in the chamber itself to ensure the nurses or the hospital staff are safe from contamination. The idea can also be used in the Shramik special trains being run to avoid increase in the number of infected people and to control the spread by sanitizing the passengers at regular intervals. We are in the initial stage and yet to launch our product. All we need is the material in the bulk to launch this idea in the market. The target market of our idea apart from personal usage are shopping malls, airports, hotels, grocery stores such as Big Bazaar, Mart, Big Basket, etc. This would also help in reviving the economy because buyers as well as the sellers both would feel much safer from getting infected, and things can slowly resume to get normal, but with a bit of change. It is the need of the hour for individuals to keep themselves safe as much as possible, as well as for the stores to ensure hassle-free services to their consumers so that they can function to their capacity. Hope you like our solution, which can be used in widely different situations pretty effectively. Stay safe. Stay healthy, please like and share.